Why do we need special tools to know when the ground shakes? Imagine the ground is a giant sleeping dragon. When it moves, it makes a rumble. Scientists use special tools called seismographs to hear the dragon's rumble. These tools draw wiggly lines on paper. The bigger the wiggle, the bigger the rumble. But here's the twist. Sometimes the dragon just sneezes, and that's why we have to listen carefully. So, next time you feel a shake, remember, it might just be a dragon sneeze. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.